Yeah, welcome to our part 2. So let's proceed. So we've checked the shape of our data set. We can maybe check the columns name. So df.columns to check the column names. Yeah, the 17 of them. Yeah. So whatever you want to do, describe for categorical or for the text column. So we have describing or describe the categorical column, and there are several. We have 9. So we can choose one like the branch. I had mentioned that we have 3 branches. So df use subset or use the branch that you want. Sorry, the column, the text, the categorical column present in your data set. So we have df, then we do a describe. Describe. We want to describe categorical columns. So we have 1,000 count. A unique items we have under the branch column, we have 3. Total, top branch is A with a frequency of 340. 340. Then in future, when you want to check if you have any missing data, you can use is null. Yeah, is null, and you can aggregate using the sum.sum like that. So as I've mentioned, we don't have any missing values in our data. Now we can we can drop some columns that we deem not fit in our data, like the invoice ID. I've mentioned that these are computer generated, and you can see it will not be used in our analysis in this case. So we can just drop the invoice ID column using the drop method like that. So we have df.drop, then you can pass the column that you want to drop, and maybe if you have maybe 2 or more columns, you can pass a list. So in this case, we can also drop another one. So we'll use a list to drop these columns. So I want to drop the invoice ID. I want to drop you can drop the cost of goods sold. You can also drop another one. We can drop the gross margin percentage. So we'll not be using the gross margin percentage for our analysis. And then we specify the axis equals to 1, or you can have, so we have 2 axes, 2 known axes, that is axis 1, which is the column, and axis 0, which is the rows. And also you can use the exact name. You can use columns, and for rows instead they use the index. So let's drop from the columns, then we can manipulate this or update using the in-place function, and say in-place is equals to true. And you want to update in the data set that you've dropped these columns. Yeah, so let's check. Let's see. So when maybe we can confirm if truly these columns were deleted or dropped, so we can check. So we don't have the invoice ID at the beginning, and we can also not see the cost of goods and also the margin percentage. Follow for more content. Thank you.